Twotwo CrazyAI brings you today's top AI news. Qwen open-sourced an image layering model. Google released AI safety research tools. NVIDIA launched Universal Game AI. Zhipu AI is about to become the first global LLM stock. And a Chinese research team's Optical AI chip made it to science. Let's dive into today's developments.
Qwen team has open-sourced a revolutionary image editing model called Qwen-Image-Layered. This model can automatically decompose any image into multiple independent RGBA transparent layers. Users can specify between 3 to 10 layers through prompts. Even more powerful is its support for infinite recursive decomposition of any layer. Once decomposed, each layer can be independently operated on, recoloring, replacing, moving, or deleting without affecting other parts. This brings Photoshop-level precision control to AI image editing.
Google DeepMind has released Gemma Scope 2, the largest open-source interpretability tool release from any AI lab to date. This toolkit is like equipping AI models with a microscope, allowing researchers to observe the inner workings of Gemma 3 models. Whether it's a 270M small model or 27B large model, you can use it to track reasoning processes. More importantly, it helps identify and debug dangerous behaviors like jailbreak attacks and hallucination generation. Available now on Hugging Face.
NVIDIA has released NitroGen, a 500 million parameter open-source universal game agent model. Training data came from over 1,000 games, totaling 40,000 hours of video. Its unique approach uses unified vision action policy, directly reading pixels and predicting controller operations. Whether 3D action, 2D platformers, or randomly generated worlds, NitroGen shows strong zero-shot generalization. With fine-tuning, task success rate on unseen games can improve by 52%. The code and model are fully open-sourced.
Zhipu AI is about to make history. This Beijing company has passed the Hong Kong Stock Exchange hearing and may become the world's first LLM stock. Revenue exploded from 57 million yuan in 2022 to 312 million in 2024, a compound growth rate exceeding 130%. By revenue, it's already China's largest independent general-purpose LLM developer. But behind high growth are massive losses. 2.47 billion yuan net loss in 2024, nearly 300 million burned monthly. Where did the money go? 70% went to compute power. This is the brutal reality of the LLM race.
Major breakthrough from Chinese researchers. Shanghai Jiaotong University and Tsinghua University jointly developed an all-optical chip called LightGen, published in top journal Science. This chip integrates over 2 million photonic neurons, using light instead of electricity for AI computation. Test results show computing speed and efficiency are 2 orders of magnitude higher than state-of-the-art electronic chips. That's 100 times faster. LightGen can perform complex generative AI tasks end-to-end, including high-resolution image generation, style transfer, and even 3D content generation. This provides a new hardware path for solving AI compute shortage.
Here comes today's craziest question. Optical AI chips are 100 times faster. Will NVIDIA and AMD's electronic chip dominance be shaken? Is this a disruptive breakthrough or just a lab fantasy? Do you think optical computing can be commercialized within 5 years? What's your choice? See you in the comments. Twotwo CrazyAI. Stay crazy tomorrow.